Okay, hello everybody from Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese, and Mrs. MacIntosh's classes. How are you? It's so nice to see you again. Are you ready for music? Great, because I have a lot of fun songs for us to do today. Are you ready? All right, so first we need to say hello, right? All right, so let's jump right in. I know what you know what to do. Ready? Ready, set, go! Hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready? Clap hands. 1, 2. Good, Kevin. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready, Bryson? 1, 2. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, Jacob? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, it's time to sing with me. So let's sing la, 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 la. Your turn. Good, Isak. La, 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 la. Your turn. Good, Alex. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Nice, Emma. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Good, Lance. It's time to dance. It's time to play. So help me say, ready, set, go. Good, Adrian. Oh, hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready, Ian? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready, Freddie? 1, 2. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, Henry? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, let's see who's here with me. All right, who is here for Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese, and Miss MacIntosh's classes? There's a lot of you, so if I don't say your name, I'm sorry, but I'm still thinking about you. Are you ready? All right. So let's get out our drum and finish our song. Ready? Where is... Good, say your name. Say your name really loud so I can hear it all the way here at home. Hi. Good, you say, here I am. Now you say, where is Melinda? Here I am. Now together, it's so nice to be with you today. Woohoo! Great job. So I have a fun session of music for us today. I hope that you like it. Are you ready? All right, let's see what's first. Okay, everybody. So for this next song, can you please get out some sort of instrument? Maybe you have a tambourine at home. This is what I'm going to use. If you don't have a tambourine, it's okay. You can try to use your egg shaker or your soda can shaker that you might have made or your rhythm sticks that you have at home. Whatever you want, okay? But we're going to sing a song called Play. How do you want to play? Can you spell play with me? P-L-L-A-Y, play. How do you want to play? Let's see. Should we play first? How about we play our instruments on our head? So try to balance. See, I cheated. I have my tambourine, which is easy to balance. I can't imagine trying to balance an egg. Do your best if that's what you're playing with. I hope it doesn't fall. I'm gonna do this one just because I know the other one's gonna fall while I play the guitar. All right. Play on your head, head, play on your head, head, play, play on your head, play on your head, head, play on your head, head. How should we play today? How do you want to play? P-L-A-Y. Fast or slow, up or down, but you can't stand by. How about we play really, really fast? We want to play, play, we want to play, play, we want to play really fast. We want to play, play, we want to play, play. How should we play today? Play fast, play fast, play really fast. Play fast, play fast, play, play, and stop. Woo! How else should we play? What's the opposite of fast? Slow. Yeah. I want to play slow, play slow, play really slow. I want to play slow, play slow. That's how we'll play today. And stop. What about on your toes? What kind of instrument are you using? Can you play it on your toes? You can tap it on your toes. You can try to wear it on your toes. You get to see my toes. Are you so excited? Sorry if it's gross. At least you can't smell them through your computer, right? I want to play on my toes, play with my toes, play on my toes. I want to play on my toes, play on my toes. That's how we'll play today. And stop. Oh, good job. So we played fast, we played slow, we played on our head, we played on our toes. How about we play really loud? Ready? I want to play loud, play loud, play really loud. I want to play loud, play loud, play loud, and stop. What's the opposite of loud? Shh, quiet. Can you play quiet? Shh. I want to play quiet, play quiet, play really quiet. Play quiet, play quiet. That's how I'll play today. Shh, and stop. All right. So this last time through, I want you to play however you want. How should we play today? How do you want to play? Fast or slow, up or down? How should we play today? I want to play, play, I want to play, play, I want to play, play all day. I want to play, play, I want to play, play. That's how we'll play today. Nice job, everybody. Was that fun? How did you play that last time? Nice, great job. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, everybody, so I have my special guest, Izzy, again. She's back to help us with our movement song.
First, we are going to do a butterfly song.
Yeah, and can you show them the butterflies that you made? So Izzy made special butterflies for our song.
Mommy made this one, I made this one.
And you are welcome to make your own butterflies if you'd like.
You can pause the video and make one your own.
Yeah, but you don't need to. It's just something fun that you could do if you want. So can you back up a little bit, Izzy, so we can see both of us. So we're gonna sing a song called Flitter, Flutter, Butterfly. First, I'm just gonna teach you the melody. The melody is the tune of the song.
Yeah, something like this.
So we're gonna sing on La first. It goes like this. La 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 la. teach you the words and the movements. And then we're gonna do the movements with the guitar while Izzy does the movements and you do the movements. Are you ready? Back up so they can see you.
And also you can copy me if you don't remember.
Yeah, so Izzy's here to help. So first we're gonna flitter, flutter like a butterfly.
You don't have to tell them what
So you
to
can
show them.
sit or you can stand and kind of be on your tippy toes and flitter, flutter like a butterfly.
Or keep doing it like this and tap your toes and then do it and it actually looks like you are flying.
Yeah.
And also you can do this so it actually looks like you are flying like this.
Okay, so we're gonna go flitter, flutter, butterfly. Then we're gonna smell the roses. Ready? Smell the roses and touch the sky. So you're gonna stretch up when I say touch the sky. And then flap your wings. So flap, really flap your wings. And fly so high. Glitter, flutter, butterfly. Then we're gonna sing on la. So when I sing on la, if you made butterflies, you can get them and you can fly around your whole room. Ready? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Very nice.
Okay.
So we're gonna try it all together now, right?
Yeah, now we're going to do it all together. And then we're going to do a different fun song.
Yeah, okay. So, I want you to imagine being a butterfly. Have you seen any butterflies yet this spring?
What if you were a butterfly, what color would it be?
Yeah, what color would you be? Maybe some of the butterflies aren't out yet because maybe they're still being caterpillars in their cocoons. I don't know. Maybe you're learning about butterflies. Izzy's learning about butterflies this week in her school.
Yeah, or maybe it's still eating some lunch. And
Yeah, maybe it's still a caterpillar.
Or maybe it's already a butterfly flying around the whole earth.
Maybe. So keep your eye out for butterflies. All right? So let's first start. We're going to put our butterflies down and we're going to do the movements first. Ready? So we're going to flitter, flutter our wings first. Here we go. Flitter, flutter, butterfly. Now smell the roses. Smell the roses and touch the sky. Flap your wings and fly so high. Flitter, flutter, butterfly. Now we're gonna sing on la. So if you made butterflies, you can grab them and have them fly around your whole room. Are you ready? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. All right, come on back. Ready? Let's do it one more time. So put your butterflies down so you can do the movements and you're the butterfly. You ready? Flitter, flutter, butterfly. Smell the roses and touch the sky. Flap your wings and fly so high. Flitter, flutter, butterfly. All right, let's sing on la one more time. Ready? Here we go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sing with me. La 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 la. Butterflies. Thank you. What color butterfly were you? What color? What color were you, Izzy?
I was rainbow.
Ooh, rainbow. Awesome.
With swirlies on it.
Ooh, I was orange and red and white.
Okay, now we are going to do a peekaboo song.
Okay, hold on. We're going to do another song. We're going to pause it. We'll be right back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Okay, so for this next song, If you already have some scarves out, go ahead, keep them out. If you don't have any scarves out, can you go find a scarf in your house?
It can be lots of different colors.
Yeah.
In one, or it can be just one color. It can be whatever color you want, or it doesn't have to be any color.
Right. If you don't have a scarf like us, that's okay. You can use a winter scarf. You can use a small blanket. You can use any sort of thing that we can scrunch up.
Maybe there's design on it, like my blanket has stars. Maybe yours has swirls. Or maybe on your scarf it has a design too.
That's true. Okay, so you guys know these songs. We do them all the time when I come to your school, and I know everybody loves them, so I thought, let's do them together at home.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna make popcorn. Can you scrunch it up? The lawnmower's outside, it's kind of loud. Ready? Making popcorn with our scarves. Mix it up. Put it in the oven, Ready? We're gonna shake and count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pop! Good job! Woo! All right, go ahead, get them again. Here we go. Let's make some more popcorn. Making popcorn with our scarves. Mix it up. Put it in the oven, and shake. 1, 2, 3, and watch it pop. Good.
Look out of my arm.
Oh, no. All right, ready? Now, who here likes macaroni and cheese?
I don't.
Izzy doesn't like macaroni and cheese. I don't know. I don't know how she's related to me. If we didn't look so much alike, I would be a little confused because macaroni and cheese is my favorite. So
I actually never tried it, so I'm not actually sure. So
I know she needs to try it, right? It's important to try new foods. She doesn't want to try it whenever I make it.
So I'm just gonna not raise my hand just in case, okay?
Maybe I'll make some later. Maybe she'll try it. We'll see. All right, ready? So let's shake, shake, shake. Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. Macaroni and cheese, may I have some please? Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. May I have some? Good job. All right, so now we are going to be a little tiny animal. Pick up your scarf. Can you think of an animal that's little and tiny?
I'm gonna be a rat.
Oh, a rat! All right, let's be rats with our teeth. Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. Macaroni and cheese, may I have some please? Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. May I have some? What about a big animal?
Maybe an elephant.
An elephant. So how does an elephant move? I'm going to close the window because the lawnmower guy's outside.
She'll be right back. I'll be watching you while she's gone. And I think she's going to be...
Technical difficulties from home. Lawnmower's outside. Too loud, right? All right, so now we're going to be... What animal did you say?
Elephant.
A big elephant. Go ahead, get your scarves. How does an elephant move? With their trunks, right? And their voices are kind of lower, I would think, if they could talk. So let's do low voices and be elephants eating macaroni and cheese. Ready? Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. Macaroni and cheese, may I have some please? Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. May I have some? Choo! Good job. Let's be kids again. Kids and Miss Melinda. I'm not really a kid. I feel like a kid, but I'm not really a kid. Kind of a grown-up. Are you ready? Yes. All right, one more time. Let's do it all together. Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. Macaroni and cheese, may I have some please? Macaroni and cheese, it makes me sneeze. May I have some? Oh, great job, everybody. We did it. Awesome job. Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
What did you use for a scarf at home? Did you use like a winter scarf?
Did you use just a regular music scarf with designs on it? Is it colorful or not colorful?
Yeah, I can't wait to hear all about it.
Yeah, so if you want to tell us, you can always take a video and send it to us.
Well, that would be a good idea. Yeah, send it to your teacher and they can send it to me. Awesome. All right. Okay, guys, so this next song is one of my favorite songs, and it involves us all singing together. And I know you're all incredible singers. So you might know this song before. I might have brought it to your school before because I love this song, but it's been a while. And if you've ever seen the movie Sing, has anybody ever seen that movie, Sing? This is one of the songs from that movie, so you might know it. So this involves you singing with me. We're gonna do kind of a call and response where I'm gonna sing something, then you're gonna sing something. But first we're just gonna start with the song. So you can sing in the song, you can also get out an instrument to play. You can do both, whatever you want. You can dance. It's an uplifting song. You ready? It doesn't matter if your days are long. Sing. It doesn't matter if your night's gone wrong. Sing. Just clap your hands and feel that beat and sing it. Whoa. Sing. It doesn't matter if he let you go. Sing. It doesn't matter if she hurt you so. Sing. Get up and dance and feel that beat and sing it. Whoa. I don't know what you've been told, but music makes me lose control. Here we go. Sing, 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 sing it out as loud as you can. Make them hear you from LA to Japan. Don't let them bring you down, 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 down. Sing, 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 sing it with your hands in the sky. Light it up like it's the 4th of July. Don't let them bring you down, 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 down. All right, ready? So now repeat after me. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Your turn. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Now. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Ba, 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 ba. La, 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 la. Your turn. La, 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 la. Good. How about? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, 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 oh. Your turn. Oh, 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 oh. Good. It doesn't matter what you were singing, just as long as you were singing with me. You ready? Sing, 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 sing it with your hands in the sky. Light it up like it's the 4th of July. Don't let them bring you down, 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 down. Sing, 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 sing it out as loud as you can. Make them hear you from LA to Japan. Don't let it bring you down, 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 down. All right, who do you feel like singing for? Sing for your mommy, oh, oh. Sing for your daddy, oh, oh. Sing for your grandpa, ba, ba. Sing for your grandma, ma, ma. Sing for Miss Melinda, ooh, 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 ooh. Let me hear ya. Sing, oh, sing. it's the 4th of July. Don't let them bring you down, 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 just sing, just say it with me, sing. Woohoo! Great job, everybody. Did you have fun? Do you know that song? Yeah, I think I brought it before, so you probably have heard it before. All right, great job, everybody. Okay, everybody, so this next song, we are going to sing a song about rhyming. Does anybody know what a rhyme is? A rhyme is another word for sounds like, right? So if I were going to say the word sun, can you think of another word that sounds like sun? Sun, run, right? They both end in that un sound. Sun, run. Sun starts with the letter S. Run starts with the letter R. But they both have the same ending sound. Un, U-N. Sun, run, right? Let's think of another one. What about cat? Can you think of a word that rhymes with cat? Cat, bat. Cat, k. Starts with a C. Bat, b. Starts with a B. But they have that same ending, at, right? So we're gonna sing a song about these different pictures, and we're gonna try to find words that rhyme with these pictures. So what is this? It's a pig, that's right. What's this? Tree. What's this? Man. What's this? It's a ladybug. We're just gonna use the word bug though. This is a bone, like a dog bone, and a rake. All right, so we're gonna do a little beat. We're gonna go pat, pat, clap, pat, pat, clap. Good. And we're gonna sing this. We love rhyming. We love rhyming. I see a picture of a pig. What sounds like pig? We love rhyming. We love rhyming. What word sounds like pig? Is it wig or is it bee? What sounds like pig? Wig or bee? Pig sounds like wig. Good. So let's put the wig on the pig. And let's keep singing. We love rhyming. We love rhyming. I see a picture of a bug. What sounds like bug? Is it mug or is it phone? Which word sounds like bug? Mug. Good. Nice job. Let's keep singing. There we go. We love rhyming. Say it with me. We love rhyming. I see a picture of a, what's this one? It's a tree. What word sounds like tree? Is it phone or is it bee? Tree sounds like bee. Good job. We love rhyming. We love rhyming. I see a picture of a bone. What rhymes with bone? Is it cake or is it phone? Which word rhymes with bone? phone. That's right. We love rhyming, rhyming. Everybody rhyming. We love rhyming. All right, so we have two more. I see a picture of a man. What rhymes with man? Is it fan or is it cake? Which word rhymes with man? It's fan. We love rhyming, rhyming. Everybody rhyming. We love rhyming. All right, we have one more. Ready? I see a picture of a rake. What rhymes with rake? I only have one picture left, and it's cake. Cake rhymes with rake. We love rhyming, rhyming. Everybody rhyming. We love rhyming. Woohoo! Great job, you guys. Way to rock out. Okay, everybody from Mrs. Molnar, Mrs. Marrese, and Miss MacIntosh's classes, did you have a nice time today? So did I. What was your favorite part? That was a good part. I liked that part too. All right, so we're going to change our goodbye song today. This is a song I do when I go to Miss MacIntosh's class. You might have heard me sing it before, but Mrs. Marrese and Mrs. Molnar's class might not know it. So I thought we'd change it up a little bit. So Mrs. MacIntosh's class, sing really loud so that you can help them. All right, ready? Here we go. We're going to start by singing na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Goodbye, goodbye. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Goodbye, goodbye. Good, help me say it one more time. Here we go. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, good. Say bye. Bye. Good job. Isak likes to go up and go bye, so that's what made me think of it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. All right, I'll see you guys again next week. Enjoy. Bye.